guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's none other than the number 102. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 102. If you would like to see the previous 101 that we've unboxed, make sure to check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And well guys, let's open this up. And here it talks about the children's room. You can see here like a little early days walker. Looks really cute. And well, let's open this up. Here we can see the children's bedroom, or an example of the children's bedroom here. I really love the curtains and the wallpaper. The little doll beds there. Now this one isn't the one that's going to be in our dollhouse, but this is an example of one. Here we have all of the pieces, parts of the one up here. I really like it. That bright wallpaper is really nice. And here it shows some writing desk. This is a really cute one. And here guys, it shows you how to prepare the 4 wooden dowel pieces that we got. Because these are going to be for the chimneys. So it shows you how to paint them and prepare them. So another part of the chimney, the one just after this, the 101, we unboxed these parts. So cool that we got another piece of the chimney so quick. Here it is how it will look once we have it painted. And of course guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to stay tuned because soon we're going to be building the dollhouse because we're getting toward the end of the collection guys. So you're gonna want to see when we build this beautiful house. I'm pretty excited about it. So guys, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the bell, and of course make sure to leave a like down below if you enjoy this video. Here it talks a bit about World War II. That's one of the cool things about this collection, is that it not only shows you how to build the dollhouse, but it also gives you some historical background as well, which is pretty awesome. Or at least I enjoy it. I don't know. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just have the back, how it will look once we have it completed. And well guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so we got 4 of these chimney pieces. We later will be sanding these guys down and painting them for the dollhouse, as I showed you in the magazine. They're not very heavy, they're actually really lightweight. So there's 1, and then 2, and honestly I'm not sure what these are made out of, because they feel and they look like wood, but they're so ridiculously lightweight that I don't know if it's really wood. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe it is, maybe it's just like a type of really lightweight wood, I'm not sure. But well, here's the last one. And then we got like this little, I guess it's for in the bathroom. Let's open this up. The ziplocs in this are always really hard to open. Let me just grab this out of here. Oh no, it's for in the baby room. There's like a little, it says like baby, oh, baby diaper, okay. Yeah, so this is for in the baby room, not for the bathroom. Like I said before, it has like little bottles, and I think like a toy there. It's really sweet. And this is like made out of a like satin ribbon, the basket part. This too. And then this is just like cardboard there. I don't know, I think it's pretty cute. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.